My most recent completion, it was custom built for a client. It is a 1/43rd scale Ford Taurus Police Interceptor made by First Response Replicas. I modified it to include 63 LEDs controlled by 6 circuit boards, including the siren, and underneath it has 10 switches. Let's just go over the switch functions very quickly. You have your main power switch down here and your main power selection switch up here. So there's a marked on it U and a B. The U is for USB power, which runs off of a custom wiring harness connected to a laptop or phone charger. And then here's your main power switch marked with a 0 and a 1 for on and off. You turn it off right now. It can run off of its internal batteries for about 15 minutes when they're fresh. The test was made with fresh Duracell 2032 button cell batteries. It ran for 5 minutes comfortably, started getting dimmer, and then around 10 minutes to 15, it was quite dim where it cut out completely. However, on the other Taurus that I built, the batteries did not have to be changed, and I've been using it for a year. Batteries do have a tendency to bounce back in voltage, so if you leave it for a while, it should be able to run for another couple minutes. I haven't had an issue with that before. Anyways, to run longer, use your external power plug. Just make sure the polarity is correct. It won't go in the wrong way. However, it is a real pain to try and put it in the wrong way. There we go. Now, you just switch the battery power up to U, and you turn it on. Let's go over the lighting functions. You have headlights and taillights, along with a backlit laptop. Turn on these two switches here. First one controls your spotlight, and then interior dome lights, or interior dome light. Turn these back off. Now, to activate emergency mode, this is what I call board networking. I've managed to get 5 circuit boards to work together, where one is switching all of the others. So you don't have to go and flip a ton of switches to activate emergency. All you do is press this one button to activate all of the emergency lighting. Your headlights will wigwag. You have strobes in the hideaways. You have strobes in the vent, mirror, and windows, along with the hideaways and the tail lights. You also have a rear overhead visor light bar and strobe lights on the rear deck. You have a front visor light bar and a push bar with side lights. To control the patterns, you use these 4 switches. This controls your strobes, this controls your rear light bar, front light bar, and push bar. Let's show the front light bar. As you can see, 2 LEDs are lighting up in each area. This provides a nice low profile effect, so they don't take up the entire windshield. On such a small scale, I had to use 0402 LEDs, 2 to an area, which provide a nice line of low profile light. Now they can all turn on. This is running off my laptop right now, so it will receive about 500 milliamps, which results in slight brownouts from this. If you run it on a phone charger, you will not get the same effect. Turn it back on to strobe. Now let's cover the front push bar. Different strobing patterns, scanner, more strobes, random flashing strobe, more strobes. There you go. Now let's go over the strobe setup here. You can run, you can run single flash, double flash, triple flash, wigwag, leave them all on, or let them all sort of flash on their own. Let's put it back into the main strobing. Now, on the rear light bar, see if I can just get that. Yeah. Can run different patterns, traffic advisors, Various warning patterns are also available. Or all on. This last button is for the siren. That was a simple 4-tone siren that is being used with an ESU lock sound 13mm speaker. And then to simply turn off emergency mode, all you do is press this one button again and you go right back to regular driving lights. Thank you.